Hello, this is my Harvest Right Home Freeze Dryer, the older knob style unit. I ran a cycle of cans of diced tomatoes and tomato sauce, pureed them together, ran the cycle for 43 hours. They weren't quite dry, so I decided to put them back in after I defrosted the inside of the drum. I added a 3-hour freeze and a 4-hour dry time because I wanted the temperature to be able to get down to an appropriate minus 30 I was hoping for before it went into the extra dry time. My unit does not display the temperature, so I did buy this Accurite indoor-outdoor thermometer that is inside. It has the sensor down in the bottom behind. You can't see it, but it's behind underneath the rack to sense the temperature inside. I left the pad off just so that I could monitor to make sure that the powder did not move around on the inside of the drum too badly. I don't think it is. I did press the tomato sauce chunks because it was one big brick. Pressed it into much smaller pieces, and the bottom tray is just powder. You can see it here. The import is already down to 210 because there really wasn't much in there as far as weight. This is the older style, so it's not going to show the small batch cycle like the touchpad unit would. This should be a very short cycle, even though I did put a 4-hour dry time on it. One tip I'd like to add in here is to tell you about using a restaurant tray right underneath the front part of your freeze dryer to catch any condensation drips. You can see some condensation right here dripping down from around the gasket on the freeze dryer, which is normal. I do live in a very hot, humid state and area. But I put this here full time when I'm running it. Just pull it out a little bit enough to catch it. And then later when I'm defrosting, I pull it out even further and put a plastic dishpan here that I have underneath on the shelf. But I sit it here in order to catch the ice and the water as I'm defrosting the unit. Just a tip, another little tip, is adding this floor fan, which is a powerful turbo fan, and face it to the side of my pump to keep the pump a little cooler and shave some time off the total cycle time, make the encore better as well. Some of our members in my Betty's Harvest Right Freeze Dryers group on Facebook are using this fan in order to get the encore down a little further in a shorter cycle. They just started all that just this week, so we'll see how effective it is for everyone. Thought you might be interested to see how powder does inside the freeze dryer. It's not flying around, really, I don't think. And you can see in there, it seems to be doing well. If you're interested in learning more about freeze drying at home, come check out my Betty's Harvest Right Freeze Dryers Facebook group, and the link will be in the description box. Thank you for watching.